Hi, this is Osama Hussam Eddin. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Osama Hussam Eddin. I have been to China, Hunan University in 2007. I finished my PhD at 2011, and the supervisor was Dr. Sun Shiming. I have lots of friends from China, from Hunan University, and I think most of the people in the conference from Hunan University. Anyway, today I'm going to present a paper named Utilizing Machine Learning to Develop Cloud-Based Apprenticeship Programs Aligned with Labor Market Demands. The paper is authored by Osama Hussam, which is me, Rasha Abu Samra, and Ahmed Ghunaim, and Khalid Sha'lan. And I'm going to present the paper in the conference today. First of all, I want to tell you a general idea about my paper. The paper is presenting a way to collect the requirement of the labor market and then collect the skills needed in the labor market, and then accordingly we create an apprenticeship program. The apprenticeship program should be dynamic. Dynamic means we have skills added to the market and skills removed from the market, and then we need to recreate that program again to reflect what's going on in the labor market. For example, we talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a new tool, and it needs new skills. So this is kind of new skills. For example, translation maybe is not a new skill anymore. Maybe is removed from the market because we have a ChatGPT who can translate like a human. So some skills are added to the market, some skills are removed from the market. We need to have a system using machine learning and using blockchain technology together to have this dynamic system to accommodate what's going on in the labor market. And if we talk about the digital recruitment technologies, it goes through 3 stages: digital recruitment 1, digital recruitment 2, and digital recruitment 3. Digital recruitment 1, it is designed, you can say there is the digital job boards. For digital recruitment 2, we have the social networking like LinkedIn. And in digital recruitment 3, we have the use of AI to help in the recruitment process. And here is the general scheme of what's going on in the United Arab Emirates, specifically when we talk about the apprenticeship program, how the apprenticeship program is created, and how to add our print here or fingerprint here to make it a dynamic system. The employer has a job description. The employer or the employer inside the company who needs an applicant. He presented a job to the market and identify the program skills, competencies, and define the activities for each skill, and define the time frame for each activity, and design assessment for each activity. And it goes this loop until it's good. So the job poster inside the company, he needs somebody. He needs a graduate student, and he needs this graduate with a specific skill. So he put all these skills here and put the corresponding activities and assessments, and it is approved or disapproved by academic provider in the university. So the academic provider make a benchmark with the global trends and requirements. If it is approved, okay, we go to the next step. Otherwise, we go to the loop again and again until the Job employer posts the correct skills and the corresponding activities and the assessments, and the academic provider approves it. We go, after approving it, we go to the next step, which is review, design, practice, and teaching activities, and review the structure of the assessment, program development. This is the most important step here to develop the skills program or the apprenticeship program. And here, the employer, together with the academic provider, they discuss the identify roles and the responsibilities, and then accordingly pass this to the NQC, which is an organization in the United Arab Emirates, to approve or reject apprenticeship programs. We can repeat these cycles. For example, we can repeat the creation of the skills and competencies each 3 years or each 4 years. You know, the skills, as I told you, the skills can be found new in the market or removed from the market according to the dynamicity of the market. So this is our approach. The approach is collecting the job offer and understand the skills inside each job offer, pass it to the machine learning to create a study plan. And we have trainers. The trainers post the technical and financial offers to train a specific skill, and the employer approve, reject the created study plan, and the apprenticeship program is created. And the loop is going on more than one time until we have very specific or very accurate study plan. We are using the blockchain, and we have the evaluation. After the evaluation, we have marks or evaluation marks. And these marks, we call them credentials, and these credentials are added to the blockchain as transaction. We know that this transaction cannot be added to, it's added to a specific block, and then cannot be added to the blockchain until it is approved by a consensus. And here also, after it is added to the blockchain, it is distributed to the peer-to-peer network. So many guys can see this. For example, somebody can access this actually. Somebody can access to access this. The student can access his credentials. Also, the academic provider can access these credentials, and also the job poster or the job employer can access these credentials to make sure this is authenticated or not manipulated. You know, integrity. It has a high integrity because there is nobody can play with or change the credentials on the blockchain, because you know the security of the blockchain is all about integrity. So we have created a mobile application for this purpose. We have added these capabilities here: job offers, applicants, interviews, and current apprenticeship programs, study plans, and apprenticeship progress. Sorry, okay, give me a second. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I know it's a recording, but I cannot continue. Just give me a second. Okay, so the study plans, apprenticeship progress, all of these are created, and we are ready to deploy this program to the job posters, so they can post the jobs, and also they can create the create the study plans and the apprenticeship programs. Actually, this program is empty. There is no data so far. But after deployment, we are going to collect the data and train the machine learning, and try to use the blockchain to make all of this working together. And we have here in the status of apprenticeship program in the United Arab Emirates is like we have lots of deployments since 2017. But you know, the problem is not in the apprenticeship. Is currently the apprenticeship program working right now in the United Arab Emirates. We need to create a dynamic and accurate apprenticeship programs using the new technologies of machine learning and blockchain. So it's already there, but we know we need to make it more dynamic and more accommodate with the labor market demands, and more accommodate with whatever currently skills are going on there in the labor market. So this is our contribution to the paper. And thank you very much for your time. And I'm waiting for any questions. You can find my email on the paper. And you can send me if you have any questions. I'm going to reply to you. And thank you for giving this opportunity to present my paper. And thank you. Salam.